Hello guys, ito po yung Budol Fight ko, good for 2 packs. May steam saang, grilled pork, grilled fish, grilled squid, buttered crabs, buttered kandoyon, and then kinilaw na isda, and then lato, sea grapes.